Dear students, welcome to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open University. This class is for BCom first year, second semester students for commerce background. Subject is Principles of Management from Block to Planning. Under Management of by Objective, we will understand today goal setting and process of MBO in today's video. Well, first of all, we will understand the importance of goal setting. Well, goal setting provides clear direction to employees about what needs to be achieved. That means when you assign a work, a responsibility to your subordinate, you need to understand what has to be done, what results are expected, and when you want the outcome in what form. So, clear direction is important to be communicated to the employees. Also, it helps in better planning as well as decision making by defining priorities. First of all, in goal setting, we define the priorities, what we want. So, definitely it is very much helpful in better planning as well as decision making process. Other than that, it enhances employee motivation as individuals work toward a specific and meaningful target. See, when employees are being provided with what they are good at, definitely the outcome will be good. And when you get good outcome, it will lead to employee motivation. So, that is, it enhances employee motivation. Next, it facilitates performance measurement. So, performance measurement is very important for making evaluation objective and transparent. So, whenever there is increment period is there or promotion period is there, so we need the measurement of the performance, the measurement of what employee has done throughout the year. So, on the basis of that only their review is done and whatever the expected things allotted to them will be provided. So, it facilitates performance measurement. Now, talking about key benefits of goal setting. So, the first benefit is the clarity of objective. That means you have clear cut idea what is to be done, when is to be done, who will do the task and what is the expected result. That is clarity of objective. Next is measurable performance. When you get the outcome, when you get the expected result, you measure that result with the predefined one. So, it is very important in this MBO approach, that is the performance need to be measurable whether qualitatively or quantitatively. Next, important thing is it increase motivation. Well, when you know your performance is being monitored and you will be rewarded for your performance, for your outcome, then your motivation will be a little higher definitely. So, it helps in that as well. Next important thing under this is goal alignment. Goal of the organization, goal of the employee, goal of the manager. They need to be aligned in a straight line. Otherwise, the outcome which you are going to get will not be of, you can say, good quality. So, to get a perfect result, to get the quality and good quantity of result, the goal alignment is very much important. All in all, this goal setting will improve efficiency as well. Well, the task is clear, there is more clarity. When the performance is being measured, definitely the outcome, the efficiency will be of improved quality, right? Now, again we will understand more about goals. So, there is one concept termed as SMART, SMART goals, where S stand for specific, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for relevant, T for time bound. Now, let me explain this SMART criteria with the help of an example. Let's consider I am an assistant manager in any organization and I have to deal with preparation of PowerPoint presentations. And my level of understanding and making presentations is quite low, let's say just 10%. So, over here I need to set a SMART goal for myself. So, the first thing, specific. That means I need to set a specific goal for myself. Like currently my level is 10%, I need to make it 50% or 60%, or how much knowledge I want to gain, how much learning I want to attain, I need to clearly specify. So the first thing is specific. Next come measurable. Measurable as in, like in coming months, 2 months I will achieve 20%, in 4 months I will achieve 50%, and so on so forth. That means at the end of every time when the task is finished, you measure it. I will measure my learning. I have learned, okay, I have learned 4 concepts, so this much percentage has been completed. So I have completed 80% of my syllabus or 80% of my learning, so I have learned so much and so forth. So that is measurable goal. Next come achievable. So when I will fix target for myself, I will make sure that I achieve them. That means those goals has to be achievable in nature. Those objectives should be realistic and attainable. Like I may not say ki yes, I will learn all those tricks and all those PowerPoint things in a month. It is not possible, right, to learn like that. So goals need to be achievable. Next comes R, that is relevant. What is the relevance? Why I am so eager to learn this skill? Because currently I am at assistant manager level. I want my promotion, I want to grow career wise. So learning those skills will definitely going to help me to grow my career path. So that is the relevance of my goal. Next comes time bound. Like I clearly mentioned in the first step, that has in specific, like in so much time I will finish off this much of my content, or I will learn this much of my content. So I will set a clear deadline for accomplishment of learning things. So this is how the SMART goals are defined. I hope it has been clear by this good example. Now moving on to linking goals. How goals are linked. So first of all, we have corporate goals. So they define overall vision as well as strategic direction of the organization. Next is departmental goal. Well, departmental goal break down corporate goals into functional areas, like various functional areas. We have HR, marketing, sales, etc. Next come team goals. So team goals, they basically translate departmental plans into actionable task that is achievable, right, which we have discussed later previously. Next come individual goals. So individual goals are basically they assign a specific responsibility to employees that need to be achieved. So this is how the goals are being linked. All in all, the key insight for linking goals, we can say that it ensures top-down alignment as well as bottom-up contribution. So alignment is done top to down as well as the contribution is made bottom to top. First thing. Next we have every individual effort contribute to organizational success. It's like every person linked to the task will be held responsible, accountable for completion of the task. So that is the importance of linking goals. Now let's quickly understand the process of MBO. We can see here that implementation and review as well as the process are quite same in nature. So first of all, we'll understand the steps in MBO process. The very first step is setting organizational objective, right? Then comes setting departmental objectives. Next comes joint goal setting with employees. Like I clearly mentioned that employees' goals are also important, so that need to be fixed. Next come the development of action plan. That means what is to be done, when is to be done, how is to be done. Then come performance monitoring, that whatever task is being done will be monitored carefully. Then performance evaluation will be done, and finally we have feedback and review process. So this is how MBO process work. In conclusion, let's understand the implementation and review, that is action plan execution, resource allocation and role assignment, task performance by employees, continuous monitoring is done, performance measurement, feedback and corrective action, final review and evaluation. So that is how implementation and review, all in all, this all contribute to MBO process. So that's all for today's class. Thank you for understanding the process of MBO.